Good morning, everyone. My day started with a bit of a disaster. My desk was a total mess, and I knew I needed a change. While cleaning, I found my old Christmas clock and a basic organizer. That's when the light bulb went off. Why not combine them into one sleek unit? I tried to sketch it out first, but as you can see, my hand drawing skills aren't exactly professional grade. Time to move to the digital world. I jumped into my 3D design software and spent some time refining the curves and the clock mount. After a while, the vision finally came to life. Once I was happy with the design, I saved the file as Clock Plus Organizer using the step format to ensure the best geometry for printing. Now, let's head over to Bamboo Studio. I imported the file and got to work preparing the individual components. I right-clicked the model to split it into separate objects. This allowed me to organize the parts onto different plates and assign them specific colors. For the technical specs, I'm using ABS filament at a 0.2mm standards layer height. To keep it lightweight, I set the infill to just 2% and enabled strong tree supports. With the settings locked in, I sliced the plates. It's always satisfying to see the final print time breakdown before hitting send. Before printing, maintenance is key. I grabbed a cloth to clean my Bamboo X1 carbon to make sure everything was in top shape. The bed plate was looking a bit greasy, so I gave it a good wash to ensure perfect first layer adhesion. I checked my AMS. Everything is ready with the yellow and black ABS filament I'll be using for this high contrast look. And we're off. Watching the printer do its thing is always the best part of the process. Here are all the printed parts and the clock mechanism we'll be installing today. Time for assembly. I started by applying glue to the front of the main body, carefully fixing the front plate and the clock face plate in place. To give it that professional touch, I glued the 3D Craft Hub text onto the front section. Next, I inserted the clock mechanism. I put the hour needle on first, followed by the minutes. The second hand was a bit too long, so I trimmed it from the top and bottom. Now it fits the face perfectly. Let's load it up with some stationery, glue sticks, pencils, and pens. It holds everything I need. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's functional, stylish, and keeps me on schedule. If you want to print this yourself, I've provided the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Bye!